me show you something. This multi-shot video you just watched was generated using only one single platform, Higgsfield. Right now, people all over the internet are literally asking the same question. Can this one platform actually replace all the other AI tools? Think about it for a second. If you're using different AI tools, every time you work, you keep jumping from one platform to another. On one site, you generate images. Somewhere else, you create voiceovers, and then you go to a different tool just to make the video. And what happens because of that? Low quality, time waste. And the biggest pain of all, every month you end up spending hundreds of dollars on subscriptions. And the worst part? Whenever a new AI model gets released, either you have to pay again, or you stay stuck using an outdated tool. To solve this exact problem, today I'm going to show you how you can take a messy workflow that uses 5 different platforms and turn it into one clean workflow inside a single dashboard. In this video, I'm going to show you my complete step-by-step workflow that I personally use, from generating character all the way to creating the final video. Now, Higgsfield has recently launched a new model that makes this entire process much easier to do inside a single workflow. From here, you can either open Soulcast or go to Cinema Studio 2.5. Both of these allow you to do everything in one place without switching between different tools. If you also want to follow along with me step by step, you can find the Higgsfield link in the description. Now that we have already opened Cinema Studio, the first thing we need to do is generate our character. For that, you will see the cast option here. Click on it. In most AI tools, there is always one big limitation. You don't really have full control over your character. But here, you get complete control over customization, and I'll show you exactly how. First, you can select the scene genre, so let's choose the drama genre. After that, you can also decide the production budget, which basically controls the quality level you want for the scene. Next, you can choose the era, meaning what time period you want your film to be set in. Then you get the option to select the archetype, where you decide what type of character you want in your scene. You can choose this according to your script and your requirement. After that, you can select the identity, whether you want a male character or a female character. Next, you can choose the race, like white, black, Asian, or Latin. Here, I'm selecting Asian. Then you can decide the age of the character. After that, you can also choose the physical appearance. For example, I'll select an athletic body type. You will also get more options like height, so I'll keep the height average. Then you can select the eye color, the hairstyle, and the hair texture. For hair texture, I'll choose wavy. If you want, you can also add a beard. In the detail section, you can add things like scars, tattoos, or even eye patches. And finally, you also get the outfit option, where you will see a lot of presets available. If you want, you can even type your own custom prompt and fully customize the outfit. After finishing all the customization, simply click on Generate. Every time you try to generate a character using long, complicated prompts, most of the time you still fail to get the exact character you want. But here, you don't need to write long prompts at all. You can customize everything manually, and the full control stays in your hands. Once the character is generated, the system even assigns a name to each character automatically. So later, it becomes very easy to reuse the same character again. Now, just click on the one you like the most. You will get the image with 3 different shots of the same character. If you want to maintain visual consistency for this character, you will see the option called Use in Cinema here. Click on it. After that, click on Element. Then click on Create and Use Element. Now your character will be saved inside a folder. And after this, your character is fully ready. From now on, whenever you generate an image or a video, this character will stay consistent everywhere. After doing this, you will automatically enter the image section, and your character will already be selected. Now you only need to type the location prompt. Here, I'm pasting my prompt for the scene location, where the first part of the prompt includes my character. And after that, the full scene description is written. Next, from here you can choose the aspect ratio, and you'll see multiple options available. After that, go to Resolution, and select 4K for the best quality. Then come to the grid option, and select how many images you want in one generation. This is a very useful feature, because you can generate multiple images at the same time. Now from here, we will set the camera and camera lens. You can choose which camera you want, which lens you want to use, and even set the focal length. You don't need any photography knowledge for this, but if you understand camera settings, you can get even more outstanding results. After setting everything, click on Generate. Now the result will appear. The advantage of using the grid is that, with a single generation, you get multiple images at once. Just select the one you like the most, then click on Upscale. Alright, now our character and scene are ready. The next step is to generate the video using this. Normally, if you were using any other AI tool, you would have to switch to another platform at this point. But here, everything can be done inside the same workflow, which makes the process much faster and cleaner. To generate the video, click on Animate here. As soon as you click it, you will automatically enter the video section, and the start frame will already be selected. Now first, click on Add Character and Props, and add your character. You will find all your saved characters here, so I'll select the one we created earlier. Now in this text box, we need to describe the scene. So I'll paste my scene prompt here. After that, you will see the emotion option, where you can set the mood of the character. You can choose anger, hope, joy, sadness, or anything you want. Here I'm selecting sadness, so the character will look sad in the scene. Since our character is already created, we just need to place it inside the scene. Next, you will see the shot option. Here I will select multi-shot auto. You can also choose manual, where you have to write a prompt for every single shot, and you can add as many shots as you want. But for now, I'll keep it on auto. For video quality, I'll set it to 1080p. Then go to genre and select suspense. After that, enable the sound option. At the top, you will also see the camera movement option like handheld, zoom in, zoom out, camera follow, etc. Here, I'm selecting camera follow. You can also adjust the speed ramp to control the movement speed. Then set the scene duration, and finally click on generate. After that, your video will be generated. Let's see the result together. The result came out really outstanding. Alright, let me generate it one more time so you can clearly see the character consistency yourself. First, I'll add my character here. Then, I'll paste a new image prompt for a different scene. After that, I'll select the aspect ratio, then choose the resolution. And in the grid option, I'll set it to 2x2, so we get multiple images in one generation. Now I'll set the camera settings and click on generate. Within a few seconds, the images are ready. Out of these, I like this one the most, so I'll click on upscale. Once the image is upscaled, we'll click on animate from here. Now first, I'll select my character again. Then I'll paste the video prompt. After that, I'll set the character emotion to joy. Next, I'll choose multi-shot auto, then set the genre to suspense. Set the camera movement to camera follow. Change the speed ramp to impact. Set the duration to max, and click on generate. And here is the result. If you go here and click on Add Character and Props, then add your character. And after that, go back again to Add Character and Props and open the Location section. From here, you can upload your own custom background. Whatever background or location you upload, the character will automatically appear in that same place. You just need to describe what the character should do in the scene. Here you can check out some results using this feature.
I don't understand you people. Why are you listening to this? Trying to find peace in this. You need to listen to your heart.
Finally, I found it.
You can see this workflow works insanely well. If you're a beginner and you struggle with AI image or video generation, you should definitely follow this workflow. It's very simple, very easy, and you won't face any consistency problems. You can find the link in the description. Go there and try it yourself. And if you're a creator and you're working on YouTube, make sure to watch my next video. In that video, I showed a method to generate 100+ images in one click for free. I'll see you there.